Post-workout food cravings are real, right guys? I hope you also sometimes feel like ending up eating junk after your post-workout, or sometimes whenever you are outside you end up eating something which is not at all healthy, or you are not having at all the time to make healthier foods. Fried and junks are the easiest options, but when we have a better solution from Dr. Morepen, then what should we worry about? It's their Slim Shake, which is a meal replacement. It comes in strawberry flavor, which saves 650 calories a day if you replace it with one meal. Just mix it with water or milk. It will give you 26 vitamins and minerals in one scoop. It's having whey protein concentrate, soy protein isolate, calcium caseinate in it. So don't end up eating chunks, instead have Slim Shake from Dr. Morepen.